Oh, I love this.
Oh, that was a bit hard.
My name's Tara, I'm a TUI Blue guide and I've worked for TUI for 7 years.
My name is Ceri and I'm a Blue Guide manager and I've been with TUI for 5 years. The restaurant is the place where you can eat 3 times a day. You have your live cooking stations and also different themes each evening as well. When you do sit down to dine in the restaurant, you've got 3 different zones. You've got your mixed, family and adult only areas.
As well as indoor dining, we also offer outdoor dining throughout our resorts too. You can find out more details, times and information on our Blue app. All of our TUI Blue Sensatori resorts are all inclusive, so this covers all of your main meals, that's breakfast, lunch and on the evening too. We've got snack bars throughout the day and your drinks at the bars. For further details on that, you can visit the Blue app or come and visit the TUI Blue Guide desk. A personal highlight of mine is the piano bar. If you prefer a more relaxed atmosphere with low-key entertainment, it's definitely the place to go, with a wide range of different drinks on offer at the bar too. You can really upgrade your dining experience at some of our resorts by joining us in one of our speciality a la cartes on an evening. This can range from international cuisine right through to the local cuisine of the destination that you're in. This is such an incredible way to make special memories of your holiday.
For example, at the TUI Blue Sensatori Brut Fete, if you really want to treat yourself, you can have a private beach cabana with your very own butler.
Please note that some of these special upgrades that me and Ceri have mentioned do incur an extra charge. You can find out more details about this on our Blue app.
If you are a fan of coffee, then why not visit our Thea's coffee shop? We've got everything from iced coffees to cappuccinos. We've got fresh pastries, handmade cakes and ice cream.
Oh, you know, it's one of my favourite places. I love the chocolate milkshakes with all the cream on top and then all the nut brittle as well.
Come on, let's go and get one now.
In our TUI Blue Sensatori resorts, we do use locally sourced produce. If you're lucky enough on holiday, whilst you're walking around the grounds, you may see some of our chefs collecting the herbs from the gardens, ready to cook some delicious meals.
At TUI Blue Sensatori, we can cover all of your dietary requirements. Anything from nut allergies, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, we have got everything covered.
I hope you enjoyed this video and I really look forward to meeting you soon in one of our TUI Blue Sensatori resorts.